Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom to find about device. Now let's enter the version, and here we have to take a look and focus on the build number, which may be quite confusing, but trust me, we need it to actually activate the developer options. So in order to do that, we have to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter system settings, which should be right above the about device. And that was a misclick, of course, again. So the system settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the developer options, so we can enter them. And here we've got plenty. Whoa. Here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the background process limit. Here we can debug GPU overdraw. We can show view updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the animation or the duration. Here we've got, here we can, for example, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got options which are connected to Bluetooth and USB, so overall to the networking, because as you can see, we've got also the Wi-Fi here, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, it works the same, just like in the previous menu. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, nothing easier, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive and actually will disappear. What's more, after getting back to the system settings, the developer options, which should be right here under the OTG connection, they will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.